this video number
5.
5. Give me a high five. Let's give her a high five. Oh yeah.
Did you like that?
Yeah. We're still happy, Reese.
We're getting late for some more.
yeah. I probably gave like a pound each.
I'm allergic to nuts.
Say just coconut.
She's kidding.
Oh yeah. Bobbleheads.
Oh yeah.
They should make bobbleheads out of this.
I know. We already are bubbleheads. We have big heads.
Hello.
Because we're so small and we have big heads. I'm drinking water.
And I'm eating. Look at the mess we made.
I dropped the cap and then I picked it up.
There's
Oh,
so
I
much
crumpled
mess
it.
we made. Look at that mess. You're such a fatty.
I love being a fatty though. Makes me feel manly.
Oh, you dropped it.
Are my eyes big?
Oh no.
Let's try to make ugly faces again.
I'm eating.
I can do it.
Give my chocolate back. I'm eating mine. I want to cut myself.
Here you go.
Okay.
Oh. I'm not
Here,
gonna look.
this arm.
I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna
You
look.
sure don't look.
I
got myself. It hurts so much. Sorry, emo people. I didn't mean that.
I'm Hillary.
I look so retarded. We look drunk right now.
Hi guys.
I gotta throw up. I drank too much.
Oh, I got it. I dropped it on the ground.
Wait, dogs aren't supposed to eat chocolate.
Yeah.
Dogs eat chocolate.
Oh, they never said you can't.
Oh, do that thing again. I'll eat it. Hey.
Wait, I need to put it close to the camera so it's huge.
One more.
Oh, wait, you go back so it's you're small. Like, face that way. Like, no, face this way.
Here, eat this pie.
Ah.
Lick it.
Lick it. This always been on Monday.
Can't wait till Wednesday. I'm coming back here.
I'm blurry.
Oh God. There goes our random laughing.
I have banners.
You didn't say excuse me.
Excuse me.
That's right, my sister.
You're falling off.
I'm hanging on this thing. This is a test. If I ever fall off, would you catch me?
You have a makeup bag with you?
Yes.
I'm gonna look for it.
Okay. I won your seat.
Thank you. Let's be warm.
Oh, like my shirt. Oh yeah.
You answered your own question.
Yes, I like to answer my own questions. So bored right now. Look at these. My sister uses these. She found it. Oh, my butt hurts.
How do you make up?
I'm not allowed to know. beautiful.
Let me see your eyelashes.
Put it on your chest.
I'm good.
Here, let's do your eyelashes. Get that away.
Here.
Let's put
Is
some,
this it?
put some lipstick on you
Oh, it's
guys.
lip gloss. My
Put this
eye
one.
is itchy.
I thought you were gonna put that on your eye.
Yeah.
Put some of this. Oh yeah. You're gonna look so pretty. Here, let's go in your eyeliner. That's some juice there. Where's yours?
Let me get it real quick. My eye is like itchy.
You wanna take off your contacts?
Yeah. In my little bit.
Little booty?
Should we stop recording now?
Oh yeah, huh? Okay.
Bye.
Bye.